Yeah, so without all the smoke, you know, the place would be pretty beautiful.
What lays before you is all the trash that you've ever thrown on the ground. You have 5 minutes to pick up your mess before the oxygen in the room runs out.
Oh no, we're gonna lose our oxygen. We're not gonna be able to breathe. We're gonna die in here.
Hey, it's my coffee.
This room.
It's empty.
And what are you doing? We gotta clean this stuff up.
Yeah, I think we're only in here because I accidentally missed the trash can. Some psychopath tried to, I don't know. Look, all we gotta do.
We're gonna die. Dude, you missed. We're gonna die.
I know, but look at this, buddy, okay? Look,
We're gonna die.
what do you do? You do this.
I gotta clean this stuff up. I'm gonna die.
It seems you have passed the test.
What test?
You have done well.
What did I
You did make a mistake of throwing away the trash. You recycled it like a normal human being.
Excuse me, sir. Could you please sign this petition to save the rivers?
No, I gotta get out of here.
Nature's healing. Time to take out the trash.